been hustler all evening. Haters try to block you on the route, take a scenic. Looking like cribs.
Yo, what's good, Grind Gang? It's your boy Roll 100. I'm back with another video. Hey, y'all already know, what am I doing out here? I'm hustling all day, you feel me? Man, I can't wait. If y'all not subscribed to my other channel, man, subscribe to my other channel, yo. Because I got some content that I can't really mix with this channel. If you're interested in my other content besides what I have on this channel, I got a link down in the description to my other channel if you want to check it out. Grind Gang. And I'm talking to the Grind Gang. I'm talking to all you hustlers out there. I'm talking to all you people who wake up every single day and you pay your bills for what you go out there and do. And I mean, I don't care whatever that is. If it's getting up, going to your everyday 9 to 5, if you got your own business that you're running, if you're trying to be an entrepreneur, if you already an entrepreneur, I mean, excuse the sun ray lights, man. The sun's just shining in today, and I'm not gonna even complain about it for real, because where I'm at is usually pretty cold. Today is really nice, so it's not hot, but the sun's shining. I can appreciate that. And that's one of the things I want to start off with. Sometimes you might wake up and maybe it's a rainy day, or maybe you didn't get enough sleep the night before because you've been going so hard. I got to tell you like this. Whatever your inspiration is, utilize that. Play on that. We all get tired. Everybody get tired. What you need to do is schedule time for yourself, but still be on your grind. Whenever you get down, just think about where you was at. Just think about how far you came. Just think about the things that you want to try to accomplish. And don't stop. Don't stop until you get to those goals. And when you get to those goals that you've set, you set more goals. The objective is to always to have something to be working for, always to have something to be striving for. I don't know what some of you consider success, but it's not necessarily not being able to do anything, sitting back and not having anything to do. It's the freedom to operate and run. I mean, like for us, it's the freedom to operate and run your own business. But you have to be dedicated to a certain amount of time. You got to be dedicated to a certain amount of hours. You got to be dedicated and passionate about what you're doing. And I'm not saying most of us aren't. We get tired. We human beings. We want to do everything, but you can't do everything. You got to set time aside for yourself. You got to set time aside. Make sure we're eating right. Make sure we're getting enough rest. Especially those of us that are out here driving. Make sure you get enough rest. You don't want to fall asleep behind the wheel. You don't want to get an accident by not being attentive because you probably could have used a little bit more rest. Listen, it's cool that you're getting money, but your health and your safety is much more important than that. So always put your health and your safety first. And I know I talk that, and sometimes I go hard too, and I'm guilty of the same things. That's why I'm not really preaching at you. I'm just talking about things that we all need to do to change, to make it better for us, so it's not putting so much of a toll on our bodies and our mental while we out here grinding the way we do. Real talk, when you grinding from the bottom up, yeah, it's a grind. I don't care what you do. In order to be successful at it, in order to reap the benefits, like really get money doing what you're doing, you gotta put in that work. And that work will tire you out. So this is just my shout out. You know what I'm saying? For me, you know, God first, you know what I'm saying? Myself, I gotta put second. And I don't mean like over my family in order. I'm talking about like I gotta put myself second. I'm in control of making sure that I'm here for my family. And if I don't take care of myself, then I can't make that money for my family. I can't build that successful business that I'm trying to build. So all of y'all hustlers, I know y'all like going to get the money. I know you don't want to stop it. We always say the hustle don't stop, and it don't to an extent, but it has to. And you have to schedule time where the hustle does stop. And you take time to yourself and you sit back and take in some sun rays, or, you know, clean your house, or just something different, or sit back and do nothing. Enjoy your family. Just do some things that separate from your hustle, and schedule time separately aside to do that. You'll find out it'll be a lot less stressful. You'll feel a lot less pressure. And I'm noticing, because this is something that I'm just now starting to do. I'm not talking to you like I never did, like this is what I always do. No, I've gotten tired. There's been times I woke up and I was like, I don't want to drive today. So what I would do is go harder at one of my other hustles. But what it does is create an inconsistency in the hustle. Even though you think you hustling all the time, that's an inconsistency in the hustle. So I'm trying to learn how to better schedule myself and my hustle, and learn how to better schedule time to the side for myself. It's your boy Roll 100, man. I'm just hollering at y'all right quick. I'll get back at you later. Peace.
I be on the route to the paper like a bus line. Money transactions move faster than a rapid transit. Slow money, no money, stagnant. Life of a Cleveland hustler all evening. Haters try to block you on the route.